Hello my friends, welcome to another video. This is a 2009 Hyundai Sonata. The problem I'm having with it is uh, it idles really high and low, or the main issue is at a stop sign it vibrates a lot, so the idle is bad. So I've already done a few work, but I have two more point for me to check to see exactly if I can stop that problem. This is what we have already done. Yesterday, my son and I, we removed, yeah, the PVC, and this is it in here. We cleaned it with okay with the brake fuse brake cleaner. And so yeah, we remove a lot of stuff in it. And so, and what else, we found a few vacuum leak. This part here, this here wasn't fully tight, so we did that, but we had to take this whole thing out. Okay, we clean, and then he also, I will take this out in a few minutes, but he also cleaned the valve here. And so yeah, remove all the carbon, and after that we reinstall everything, but the car still vibrates uh, only when it's in gear, and then we stop. When the car's driving, it's fine. It's just when we stop. So right now I'm going to take all this out again and look for the idler control valve, and also the EGR valve, and see if I can clean them or buy new ones. Well, as you can see, this is the throttle body. I remove it and then also clean it over. My son did some cleaning, but you know, he's 14, and that's the rest of the intake. Let me see, it's a little bit dark. Okay, yeah. So it was really filthy inside. He didn't clean that part, so I had to clean it. And then you know, this is a 2009, and that's the seal. Okay, so that's the seal for here. So I'm going to the store and get that get a new one. So I use this to clean the throttle body, and then also inside the box. Okay, so this is it. So I don't want to take this out because that's too much, and then I will have to replace the gaskets and stuff. So the problem is not all that bad. It just shakes a little bit. And there was I forgot to mention, there was a code, but after yesterday we did some work, and then I drove it for 2 miles. The code did not resurface, but it was still shaky. So I'm going to get that, but I think, and I've been one thing I keep on doing, keep on looking, but I cannot find the EGR valve, nor the air, the air control valve. I cannot locate them, and I see everything, but they don't look. They don't look like what I'm looking for. But let me go ahead and do the basics first before I start buying parts. All right, so we just came from the store, and I bought the yeah, this seal. Okay, again, it's for the housing, the throttle body. Okay, that's the throttle body, but you know, that's to prevent the air from getting in there. So we're going to replace that, and then put the box back, and so everything, and then so we'll drive the car. And now we AutoZone, was it AutoZone or Auto Parts? We went to Advanced Auto Parts. Didn't have or they don't carry the what, they don't carry any again? What the part we're looking for? The EGR valve, and then the idle air control valve. So now we're just going to do with what we have. Hopefully we did something good. Okay, so we've already got the throttle body mounted with the new seal, so we're just going to put the box, the air filter box. All right, this looks like it's the last step. There we go. All right, several days later, and I see a big change. So you can see the light, the engine light, and also the airbag. They're all gone. The only thing I have here is this thing here for the tire, but I don't know how to reset it. The tires, they all full, but in terms of that little shaky, yes, it still does it, but it's very minimal. But I guess it's because this is not a daily driver, and if I'm driving it, maybe the computer will reset. But when you put it on a different gear, it doesn't do anything whatsoever. It just when it's on drive and you stop. But when it comes to driving the car, everything is smooth, no problem. Okay, so let's go under the hood. Okay, this is it. You can hear how this thing's running. It runs like I would say, an 18-year-old, really smooth, inexperienced. See that? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's pretty good. So, all right, thank you for watching.